Sup everyone, this is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, and this is the place where you'll learn how to take control of your financial destiny. In this video, we're going to be talking about Cash App and how you can find your bank statement inside the Cash App. It's good to know how to access your bank statement because you can see just some basic accounting information, but also you may need that statement for various reasons, such as being able to prove the income, or if you're applying for something, or if you just need access to your statement. So we're going to start off by opening the Cash App. Then you want to click your person icon in the top right hand corner. From here, you want to scroll to the bottom where it says Documents. Click on it, and you see Account Statements, Stocks, Bitcoin, Tax Returns. You're going to click on Account Statements. Then you select the month that you want as far as an account statement. I'll select January. It says Preparing Statement, and then it pulls up by account statement. You can download this statement by clicking on the top right hand corner where you see the download icon. And boom, the statement has been downloaded. This is how you can get access to your Cash App statement and use it as needed. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you have an interest in signing up for Cash App and you have not done so yet, you'll want to check this video out as it goes in detail on the sign up process. Don't forget to like the video if you found value in it, and subscribe if you're new if you want more videos on Cash App and apps involving money in general. It's been Elijah with Financial Anatomy. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.